Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing my 2 pancake griddles. This one is obviously a lot bigger. It can make all sorts of things. It has this little grease catcher in case you want to make bacon. It's easy to clean up. All you do is turn it on to the temperature you want it to be at. I usually do about 300, and then we'll wait for them to get done. This one, you just plug in the cord, and then it has a light up here, and then you just put it down, and then it also just starts cooking. This one makes more of a single serve, so it's good for when you're just wanting to make a few of them. We'll see what they look like when they're done. All right, so they're all done now. They both only took just a few minutes. These look great. They smell great. They are the perfect pancake consistency. And then this one, you know this is done when the blue light comes off. So this is what this one looks like. That one looks great too. It's perfectly round. This one is a little bit thicker. We like both these products. We use this one more when we are making a whole family meal, while as this one I just use in the mornings to make my kids like 1 or 2 pancakes. But these are both great products. I recommend both of them.